For congratulate and thank my dear brother and friend, the single Senator George Thompson Sekebo and his family for being honored by his community. It is not easy to be a public officer, to have served in public office, and for your people to honor you, to say, look, you have done well. The simple Senator George Thompson Sekebo, your wife, and your children, let me congratulate all of you. Let me thank the Ogu Council of Chiefs and the entire community for deeming it fit that their son should be honored. You have refused politics to divide you. You have refused politics to make you not to honor your son. That shows people who have the interests of their community in mind. My dear brother, the single Senator Magnus Abe, the single Senator Onaka, the managing director of NDDC, my brother Sababoku, my dear friend, who say I'm his boss for life. You're my friend. You have shown loyalty. You have shown friendship. The executive director of finance and administration, Boma Iyayi. Not me. Thank you. All those who came with me, let me thank all of you. But let me also thank my dear friend, my schoolmate, my classmate, the council chairman of Ogubolo, Dr. Vincent Ndiboka. Let me thank the House of Assembly member of Ogubolo constituency, my dear brother Arnold. In fact, I was there. I never knew that my friend was the MC here. I was asking Boma, is this CD? I say yes. That you are now in law school. Okay. For the remaining part, I will pay. Let me greet all the council chairmen who are here, led by the mayor of Port Harcourt and all other leaders who are here. My dear people, I came because I respect people who appreciate what God has done for them, who appreciate what God has used people to do for them. God does not come down. God uses people to help people. So when you have been helped, you appreciate them, and then God will know that you have also appreciated him. I have never told anybody to worship me. Nobody can worship man. All of us believe that we only have one God, and it's only that God we worship, and we continue to worship that God. But as politicians, we appreciate people who have helped. Is it not? Is it not correct? Ogu people, Ogubolo people, when I came to ask you to support me, you supported me. Is it not correct? Did I worship you? Did I worship you? But I have to appreciate you. Is that not correct? I have to appreciate you. I have to thank you. If you did not support me, I would not have been in the position where I am. So, I never said I will worship you. Did you tell me to worship you? So why does the issue of worship come? What of that? From where? Boma, I want to say this clearly. Well, in life, When you have made a mistake, you say you have made a mistake. There's nothing you can do about it. I have made a mistake. I own it up. And I say, God forgive me. And I'll say, all of you forgive me. But we'll correct it at the appropriate time. I'm a human being. I'm bound to make a mistake. My judgment can be wrong. So forgive me for making a wrong judgment. That's life. So nobody should kill himself. Let me say this clearly. Arnold, don't be frightened that everybody will remove you as an assembly member. Nobody will remove you as an assembly member. Look, most of you don't understand. This is our work. Do you understand? This is our work. You heard what Igwe said. You heard what he said. His business is to make those people to fail, not so. To make them angry, not so. That's what I'm doing. I have no other job to make them to be angry every day. And they will not to make mistake every day. Do you understand me? And they will be in trouble every day. Do you understand me? So don't worry. If they like, they can go to anybody by 2 a.m., 4 a.m., get injunction. Fa. The law will take its course. Do you understand me? We are not afraid. We follow due process. We must follow due process. We are not going to go and arm anybody. We are not going to give money for anybody to go and buy arms to kill anybody. We won't do that. But we follow due process. The law must take its course. So, you will say, hey, how that came? I know not assembly. Who is that? Who born monkey? Who born monkey? As you look at me here, I get punch back here. As you see me, you know, just I stand like this. I think well, not so. I did think well. You see, I came with Senator Magno Sabe, not so. I work with people who get brain, not so. You see, in politics, when people who get brain disagree, they agree. They agree, they disagree, not so, because they get a brain. That's what I wanted to do. Who believe say, I pass them. They said they will bring me down. Who born them? Now who will bring me down? Then there we are. Then there we are. Okay, I don't worry myself. When you are in charge, you are. When you are in charge, you are. So don't worry. See, Igwe, we have worked together. We disagreed. I want to tell you, we disagree. He called me on phone. I said, don't call me again. Ask him. I said, don't call me again. We must fight this fight. And let us know who will win. No, so. So when I win them, he don't call me. I said, I think I tell you this. I think I tell you that. Now two of us can work together. We don't fight. Me and you there together, sis. You want to carry my information, our strategy. Go give my enemies. Now I come bring different strategy. Now I come with different what? Strategy. If you know, if you don't know, Premium or nothing. Premium or you know the color of Fubara. So look. Look at Melembe. Wire. Everything will calm down. All these people they see, they run around. Frou, they will come down. So don't worry. So when the Igalobo came, I said we work. So this appointment I gave to Boma. I said I didn't give Boma appointment. Boma worked for his appointment. Boma showed loyalty. Boma showed commitment. And that's why God has placed him there. It's not me. The same thing with Vincent. The same thing with Arnold. Leave people who say some people murdered them. Let me quote their language. It's only God that murdered me. I don't know what people understand. Do you people understand? Some people say somebody murdered them. All of us here, the person who murdered us. My God, maybe so. Maybe so. These are the kind of people you want to compare to come and talk to Ugu people, Ugu people. Is that proper? Is that proper? You want to be murdered? You want to be murdered? You want to be murdered? Shokolokobanko she. Shokolokobanko she. So, you don't worry. We're here. Let me also advise you. Forget about the abuse. The abusers. Don't forget about that. You must be alive for people to abuse you. If you're that person, would that abuse you? If you're not important, would that abuse you? So don't worry yourself. If they like abuse me from money to now, don't bother yourself. Go ahead and do your one. At the appropriate time, at that time, that day, when the result will be announced, we will know who is there. Now, don't worry yourself. We have defeated them severally. Some of them ran away to Abuja. Now I've gone to Abuja. They've run back here. Are you not seeing the way Abuja is moving? Is Abuja moving? Is it moving? Are you hearing? You are sure you are hearing. So, if you didn't dare, something where you don't know. Something where you know that. No amount of propaganda can help you. Do you understand me? So, Ogu people have shown loyalty. And I want to thank you. And continue with this. Forget about me. Forget about me. Let it be as part of your life. Let it be as part of your life. A time comes. You should let me go because of hunger. But stand on what you believe. Your principle. You remember in 2014 to 2015 when I came to run for election to be governor, we had nobody. We had nobody. It's not correct. We had nobody in government. What do you have? Did you have? I came here. You say you will stand firm. You work for it. And you work for it. Did you not win? Did you not win? What are you afraid of anybody? What can you do? As a governor, I had a problem. I had a federal government that was hostile to us, that was hostile to me. Did you not succeed? Did you not succeed? Did you not win? Some people are looking for excuses. Excuses. If you know you cannot do something, say you cannot do something. At that appropriate time, people will speak on projects in the state. Who will speak? People will tell you who did this, who did this. And not people who come now to come and claim what they didn't do. or will continue to support your people. Your politicians have done well. Senator Joe Thompson Sokibo has done well. The mere fact, when we are playing this politics, have you ever seen me on television abuse Senator Joe Thompson Sokibo? Have you ever? Has he ever abused me one day? Has he ever? Don't worry these buccaneers. I know how to handle them. I know how to handle them. Leave them for me. They have been my children all this world. I will continue to handle them. Leave the work for me. So let's work together. And I pray the spirit of power and money will not change our brother Boba. He has shown loyalty. He has shown leadership. I want to all of you to continue to pray for him, because it is not easy to be in power and then you don't begin to bring excuses of how everyday pressure. Did you understand me? When you want to do bad, it's too much pressure on you. They say you should bring 10 billion, 20 billion, 100 billion. You are not to run away from fulfilling the promises you made to people. To those who sat down, look at all the council chairmen, look at all the assembly members. These are young men whom I talked to, spoke to, said, listen, all this thing for the interest of all of us, do it. And they all did it. Today, somebody says they are nobody. Will you accept that? Will you accept that? Look at assembly people sat down in their very constituencies. You never brought a dime. I never knew you were so rich. I never knew your father was the managing director of a Shell before. That now you are feeding assembly people, paying their children's school fees. I never knew that. I never knew that. So it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. But, all the people, I will never abandon you. I will not abandon you. Look, there are some chiefs. I want to say to the hearing of all of you, go and tell whoever cares to hear. There are those I want to recognize as traditional leaders. There are people who said, no, I dared it. I dared it. I said I would do it. And I did it. I don't care what anybody will say today. Nobody bothered to recognize traditional rulers. From 1999 down to 2014, nobody in this, no governor. I said so. It was me. It was me that came. I recognized most of them. I see them as this and that. Rubbish. I did what I did because I thought, and I think up to now, is the right thing to. I did it. It takes people who have guts, who have the balls to talk. Not those. The foundation has been laid in our come. I want to make you first class. Who made the person second class? Who made him to class? Before you have to make him first class. Who laid the foundation is what is important. Be grateful to whatever God has given to you. When God has given you one child, tomorrow you have 2 children. Be grateful.